Hello guys, my name is Narari. I'm a data engineer and today in this particular video I will be showing you how we can download and install MySQL. Search for MySQL. You need to navigate to the official website. Once you're in the official website, you need to navigate to the downloads, and under downloads you need to search for MySQL community downloads. Click on that option. Once you're in the MySQL community downloads, you need to go with the MySQL installer for Windows. Once you click on that, you'll find two options to download. I will be going with 296.1 MB, and if you see here it says 32-bit version, but don't worry, it will be installed in 64-bit version as well. Let's click on download. Once you click on download, you will be navigated to the another screen where it will be asking you for login and sign up, but you can skip this by clicking on no thanks, just start my download. Once you done that, your download gets started. Click on open file. Once you click on open file, your installation process gets started. And so once you see this screen, you can select the setup type. We'll be going with the custom setup and click on next. Here in this window, you will be asked to select the products. So we'll basically add three products. One is MySQL server. You need to expand MySQL server and again expand it. Then you'll find the version. You'll select the first one, the latest version, and click on the green arrow, which will move the product from left to right. You will follow the same for two more products under the application. We have Workbench and Shell. So these two also are required for our installation. Select it and move it to the right. So here we have pulled all the required products and we'll click on next. Once you click on next, you will be in the ready to download status. And if you execute it, it will download individual products. And you can click on next. In this tab, it will be installing the downloaded products. We'll click on execute. So once you see the status is completed, you can click on next. So this is product configuration page. Here we'll click on next and we'll leave the default settings as is and click on next. We'll select the recommended option and click on next, and here we'll provide the password. And click on next. Click on next. Click on next. In this particular page, it will apply all the configurations like passwords that we set up. We'll click on next. Here our configurations are applied. We can click on finish. Once you click on finish, the status is changed as configuration completed. Click on next. We'll click on finish. And this is the shell that we have installed, and this is the workbench. So let's quickly execute some SQL commands and check. So once you click on the local instance, it will be asking for password. So the password is same which you have set up in the configuration tab. Show databases. Let's execute it. These are some of the inbuilt databases that comes with the installation of MySQL Workbench. Let us go ahead and try to create a database. Let me write create database Apple. So once we execute this command, we'll observe that the database is created. Let us execute show database command again and check if the Apple database is created. So if you can see here, the first one is the Apple database that we have created just now.